Hello everyone, welcome to my online geography class KSK Geography. Here in this video, I'll help you to get 10 out of 10 in your ICSE board exam, that is map work. Map work, that's very important part of the geography exam because this map page most probably examiner is going to check fast. I repeat, map page most probably examiner is going to check fast and you will get only one map page, right? There will be no replacement. So you need to mark all those things very carefully and the work should be neat and clean. Why? Because the examiner will get the first impression of your answer sheet from the map work, right? So map work you need to do it very carefully. Here I am going to tell you some basic things about the map work, what you can avoid easily and you can get those marks very easily. So let's see here. This is the map page you will get in your board exam along with your question paper. You need to take out the map page very carefully. Why? As I said, you will not get any extra map page. This map page only you will get. And here's some basic things about the map page, right? The same map page you will get, but remember this part you will not use for any other purpose, right? This is for your examiner. Don't use it for any purpose or making symbols or legend box, nothing. This is not for you. You have to work only in this part. In the main map part you need to work, right? Main map part you need to work. So now some basic things you need to remember about the map work, right? There are the different features are there, right? At first, don't forget to bring color pencil in your examination hall. You need to use a color pencil. You need to specify the features with some specific color, right? Like the mountain. Mountain should be marked with the brown color. You can use the black color also, but the map you will get that it will be printed with the black color. So it's better to use a brown color pencil for marking those map features. Next, plateaus. Plateaus, it should be marked with the orange color. I repeat, plateaus should be marked with the orange color. Mountain should be marked with the brown color. Next, the water bodies. Remember, water bodies you need to mark with the blue color. You need to shade the water bodies with the blue color. And the rivers you need to mark again with the blue color. Only river line you need to mark. Now, how will label those things? Remember, use the blue ink pen to label, to name those things. And you need to label in capital letters. Those are the basic things you need to remember. Now, next you can see some other important information when you are doing the map work. You need to keep all those things in mind. Avoid overshading. Remember, you need to cover 75% area for the particular map features, but avoid overshading. Next, shade all the rivers from source or to the mouth and the tributaries. Those points we will discuss much more details when you will do the river marking. That time we will discuss. Just remember, river line it should be marked from first to last. We will discuss all those things in details. Next, port cities to be marked on land portion, not in water bodies. We'll discuss again those things, how to mark those port cities, right? Next, mark the plateaus as a whole or as a dissected, right? That's up to you, but use orange color for plateau. And Gangetic plains going to the Nepal and Bangladesh is wrong. It should be there within the Indian part only. Those are the things you need to remember. Next, mountain range to be shown with a line and the peaks with the triangle. You have to mark this triangle, right? You need to fill with the red color. So red color triangle you need to use for mountain peak. Next, here you can see pass symbols. It will be not horizontal. Remember, it will be there vertical, little bit curved or tilted is fine, but it will never be horizontal like this. It's wrong, right? Next, you have to use the arrow marks very carefully. Remember, arrow marks always it will indicate toward the features, not towards the name or where you are labeling. But I'll suggest avoid arrow marks. You can name those features just next to that place. That it will be better because you have to keep the map work neat and clean, right? So avoid arrow marks, that it will be better. Now, advise not to write numbers or alphabet, right, on the map part, right? Only just name the features or label it, right? That's enough. You do avoid putting those question number. Conventional colors should be used. As I said, particular features should be mentioned with the particular colors. And if you have any confusion, you can always go for the atlas for checking all those things rather than checking in the different publisher textbook, because sometime there is some mistakes in the textbook. So those are the things you need to focus when you are doing the map work. As I said, map work, it will give the impression about you to the examiner, right? So you have to make it very carefully, neat and clean way. And for both map work related features, how you have to mark all those things, for that you have to subscribe the channel so you can get all those video easily. Thank you very much.